it's Sydney. Happy 2020. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching my video. So today is a very highly requested video. I'm going to be showing you how I got this straight ponytail, very sleek look. I did this because my hair did get cut, and I'll link that up below so you can see like my new routine for that. So let's just get into this video. So first, I'm just going to take this Palmer's leave-in conditioner because when my hair is up in a bun or a ponytail, I just like to make sure it's nourished so it's not dry while in these styles. So I'm spraying that all over my hair and my ends as well, just because they'll be up in a bun. Now I'm taking this Moisture Love oil and I'm going to put that just on my scalp, a few drops. And you all, this smells like vanilla cupcakes, like icing. I could literally eat it, like it's so freaking good. But yeah, I'm just going to massage my scalp with that and make sure everything is good. And then I'm going to go in with some water, and this is where we're going to start to spray all around the perimeter of our head to get it nice and sleek for this style. Now I'm taking my Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, and you all know I freaking love this. I've been using it forever, and I like to use mousses versus a gel just because gels flake a lot of the times, and since I'm wearing this style for a couple of days, I don't need any flaking. So now I'm taking my bristle brush and just do like you're doing a slick bun, and make sure I did it in like not the direct middle of my head, but right where the crown almost is. Because you don't want it up too high because it will look weird with this ponytail. But just make sure you get it as slick as possible. I literally was redoing this like 80 times. So now I'm just going to take my ponytail around it very tight. You want to make sure it's super tight. Like you can see here, I'm like struggling to get this through. But I was going to get it. I did not care. Now I'm just going to start wrapping my hair around itself. And that little piece of hair, that's just one of my layers, but you're not going to see that anyway, so it does not have to be perfect. But I try to make the bun as small as possible, and then I'm taking another scrunchie around that to make sure it's nice and tight. So I'm using this straight ponytail from the Sassy collection from Sally's, and I got in the color brown. This matches my hair pretty well. A lot of people thought it was my real hair. I was like, y'all, no, I wish, but it is not. So as you can see, you have a drawstring and we have 2 clips. So we're just going to place the clips underneath our hair tie and make sure it's nice and secure. You can kind of feel it when you're putting it on your bun. You'll be able to tell like if it's secure enough. I did find this easier the next day to do it from the back first. It made it like more secure in a way, but this still worked. And then you're just going to make sure you pull that drawstring as much as you can. And then I'm taking a bobby pin and I'm going to like wrap it around my hair, the ponytail, so that it's like hidden. Now I'm just going to do my edges. I'm taking the EBIN Edge Control, and this is my favorite one. It doesn't like make my edges greasy, and if I like want to do this style tomorrow, like my edges will be fine, and it lasts all day. So yeah, I just do my edges like this, and I do have a video kind of going in detail. But yeah, here is the final look. Let me know what you all think of this look. If you all try it, tag me and let me see. I love it. I think it's super sleek and it changes your style, and it's super easy to do. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and leave any comments down below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.